The beautiful part of being an onlinepreneur or doing online business is to get paid without any stress. In this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through this guide step by step on how you can get paid anywhere in the world, whether you are selling your digital products to US, American or European country, and get your fund in USD hard currency or your local currency. So I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get paid from any client around the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go about it using Barter app. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you have not yet downloaded and installed Barter app on your phone, you can check the description of this video to get started and download the app, install it on your phone, and start getting paid from any client anywhere in the world. So let's get started and see how you can use Barter app to receive payment from any client anywhere in the world, and how you can transfer the fund from the Barter app to your bank account easy and safe without any stress. So let's get started. So first thing first, guys, I will have to head over to my Barter app. Like I said in this video, if you have not yet downloaded the Barter app, kindly check the description of this video and see how you see the download link there and get started with Barter app. After you have able successful download and install the app, just register with your legal information, that is your real name, your phone number, and stuff like that. After you are able to register successfully on the app, what the sender needs is that you can give the sender your phone number, or you select this place here where you see request money. So when you click on request money, in this regard, the person that want to send you money must also have this particular app before they can send you money. So when you click on request money, it takes you to your phone page whereby you can see the person that will send you. So from there, you can easily select the person that can send you money from the particular name right here. So that is the one option. Another option is to give the person your phone number, so they will add you up on their phone. Then from there, they can send you money. So these are the things you can do with Barter app. One more thing about receiving payment from any client around the world is that you can receive your fund in USD, or you can receive your fund in local currency, most especially if you are Nigerian, you are Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, etc. This simply means that you can receive your money in your local currency, and at the same time, you can receive your money in dollar. So let me quickly show you right here. So you can see on my Naira balance here, it is 0 Naira. So by the time I tap on here, I will switch over to USD. So you can see if I switch over to USD, that I'm clicking on here, so you're going to see, so you can see now that I have 4.5 cents USD in this account. Now this is the way you are, each time you receive fund from outside your country, that is the currency is not your local currency, you are going to see the fund right here. Now when you receive the fund right here, you can easily transfer this fund from this app to your bank account. Okay, so at this point here, you cannot add money right here because this is international payment. It's not your local currency. So let's, for instance, if I switch back to Naira right here, if I come back here and switch back to Naira, so you will understand what I'm trying to say more better. So if I switch to Naira, so by the time I tap on add money right here, it's going to be active, and you can see that I can add Naira to this wallet right here. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. So by the time I click on here, you can see it bring out the option for me to add money to this account, either by card or by bank transfer. But by the time I switch back to USD, so if I click on here now, I switch back to USD. So you're going to see, if I switch back to USD and you see the amount I have in dollar, by the time you tap on here, it will automatically ask for sending money. This is another option by which you guys can request for money abroad using your Barter app. So it takes you to your phone information. Then from there you can select the person number that you want them to send you money. So immediately they send you hard currency, that is a currency that is not your local currency. You're going to have the money here. So for you to withdraw the money, all you have to do is to tap on just tap on send money. Okay, so you are sending this money to your local bank. So by the time you tap on send money, it takes you to another page whereby you guys can see the option by which you can use to send the money. Now we have three options here to withdraw your money from barter app, dollar wallet to whatever country of your currency. The first option here is send to bank account. The second option here is send to USD DOM account. The last option here is send to mobile money for people that this is for people that are using mobile money in Ghana and some other African countries like Uganda, stuff like that. But the very good options for you to withdraw your USD is send to DOM account. Now, if you use this particular option, send to DOM account, it means that you are going to receive your money in USD into your bank account. Then from there, you can easily go to your bank and withdraw the money in dollar. But one thing about this option is that you must have minimum of $50 in your barter wallet account before you can withdraw. So if I click on it, you can see it right here that the money will arrive in 2 days, and the charges is just transaction fee is just $3. Never mind the so if by the time you type in $5, so they're going to tell you that the minimum you can withdraw is 50 USD, okay, and then I have just 4 point something USD. So that is the reason why I cannot use this option. And if you are using this option, you need to make sure that you have a very active USD DOM account that is working, so that by the time they are trying to transfer your money will not hang, or your money will not get lost on in process of transfer. So you need to make sure that you have a very active DOM account. You can use any bank DOM account. So that is for that. But as for me, I'm sending it to my Naira account because what I have in this account is just $4. So I'm going to select send to bank account. So right here you can see the option. So the amount I'm sending into Naira, so they are going to do the calculation based on the official exchange rate in local currency. So right here I'm going to withdraw everything, which is $4.50. It's a network issue. So you can see right here the official rate for exchange rate is $410, 410 Naira to dollar, which is very poor exchange rate. So it is advisable for you guys to withdraw your money through DOM account if you have huge amount of money you want to transfer. So you can see right here I'm getting 1,845 into my Naira account. So when you are done, just click on here. So they will ask you to even check rates offered by Wema Bank, stuff like that. So that is not my business. This is a pure cheating, but because I'm having a very low amount of money in this wallet, that is the only reason why I'm using this option of transfer to my Naira account. Otherwise, I will prefer to transfer to my dollar account. So in this regard, you have to click on continue. So when you click on continue, you are going to process the fund, and you get the money into your bank account. So you can select your bank that you will select the beneficiary right here. So I'm selecting my GT Bank. So I'm sending the money to my GT Bank account. Where is it? GT Bank. Okay, so I'm sending the money right here. So you just have to click on send money. It's as simple as that. Send money. So you are getting this amount at a free charges. So click on confirm. So it's as simple as that. Then you'll be asked to enter your transaction code. So once you enter your transaction code, transaction is currently being processed. So within few minutes, you are going to receive transaction alert, and the money will be, it has been even processed successfully. So right here you can see that your transfer of this amount of money has been sent successfully. So by the time sorry for the interruption, by the time I refresh, you're going to see that so by the time I refresh, you're going to see that the money has successfully moved from my dollar account. And by the time I click on notification here, you see that it has been successfully sent to my account. So this is the successful transfer. So this is all the transaction I have done in the past using this app. It is a very legit app that you guys can use to receive money anywhere in the world, whether you are trying to receive USD or you are trying to receive Naira. Feel free to use this app. And like I said in the beginning of this video, let me quickly switch back to my Naira wallet. So like I said in this video, you can easily get the download the link to this particular app. Check the description of this video and download the app, install it, and do some necessary simple registration and do your KYC. From there you start sending money or receiving fund anywhere in the world. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe for more trade tutorial about online payment gateway like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.